Grilled chicken dish. It's a dish commonly found everywhere.
For grilled chicken, there are two marinating methods, using a marinade sauce and using spices.
Let's take a look at how to make grilled chicken. For grilled chicken, we'll start with the chicken thighs with drumsticks attached. Make cuts near the bones to help the chicken cook more evenly, then score slightly at the joints. The pieces should separate slightly but not completely. After preparing the chicken, we'll pound the ingredients for the marinade. Pound the mixture again until well combined. Oil helps make the meat more tender. Then, gently knead with your hands. Then, grill the chicken on the stove. For the grilled chicken, check the skin. It should brown evenly all over. The inside remains juicy, the skin is evenly browned, and it has a fragrant grilled aroma. You can remove the bones first if you like.
The grilled chicken is now ready.
For grilled chicken, the outer color comes from the herbs used in the marinade, like turmeric. Turmeric gives a yellow color. After grilling, it turns a soft golden yellow. Combined with the crispy skin, it makes the chicken more appetizing. There's another type of grilled chicken that uses pandan flower stamens, which also give a yellow color. This is used in Islamic cuisine as Muslim-style grilled chicken and can replace turmeric. Another type is red grilled chicken, which has a slightly sweet flavor. They use red food coloring, usually found near schools or at market stalls. That's another type of grilled chicken, slightly sweet, served with jayu sauce or chicken dipping sauce. Finally, don't forget to try making grilled chicken yourself.